Did you get a gift you don't particularly like this Christmas? If so, you are not alone. According to Optoro, a company that manages returns, they estimate that 2 out of 3 consumers will return at least one gift this holiday season. And get this, it is estimated that billions worth of product will be returned by the end of this year. Joining us now live is CPA Kimberly Washington. So first, Kim, what should people know when returning gifts this holiday season?
Right. So the first thing you want to know is make sure that you get an understanding of the store's policy. So get an idea of the store's policy. And there's a great website you can use online at Business Insider and kind of list out all the different stores and the different policies. Keep in mind that you would have extended time this year, of course, until February, because many stores are extending the time to return gifts. So that's the first thing you want to do at this time.
And then what happens to, say that you get a gift and you don't know where it came from? What do you do then?
Right, of course, you may not want to ask, right? So the first thing that you probably should do is actually look at the bottom of the gift, find that scanning code at the bottom. And what you can do is you can type it into Google search and you can find out exactly where that gift may have come from. Another thing you can use is a tool, it's called Shop Savvy. You can actually scan the gift yourself and get an idea exactly where it may have come from. But there are a couple of different things you can do. And also you can use what's called Google search, and you can upload a copy of the image on the website and find out exactly where the gift may have come from.
And then another scenario as well. What if a person can't exchange a gift? What other options do they have there?
A couple of different things. Of course, you know that many people, of course, have been hit hard this year. So think about giving that gift away. You can give it away to different nonprofits at this time. Another thing you may want to consider, you might even be able to get a tax write-off, of course, if you do give that gift away. Another thing you can do is you can sell like a gift card on different websites, or you can check out eBay. Gift card Granny is another place where you can go, but different websites in case you want to get rid of that gift.
Yeah, really good advice there. Okay, I can't wait to talk about this one. Tell us more about this Secret Santa $200 giveaway.
Right, so just as we mentioned, this year, of course, have been hard for so many people. So if you're someone who's listening, you're thinking, hey, an extra $200 may help me out with some things that you can do right now. Just send me a message on Twitter at KimSense with your name, your contact information, and why you may need this help during this time. And next Friday during the noon broadcast, we'll actually announce that winner and, of course, bless someone with $200.
Very kind gesture, yes. Kim. Thank you so much. And thank you for all of these tips. We appreciate you being here.